Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today's topic is Introduction to Revenue Management. What is revenue management and what does revenue management module in Fusion enable us to do? So let's start. Revenue management lets you recognize revenue over time or at a point in time. It also helps us to comply with ASC 606 and IFRS 15 accounting standard, revenue from contract with customer. Its framework and configuration help us in identification and creation of customer contracts and performance obligation, as well as their valuation and the resulting accounting entries. Moving forward with this, there are 5 steps in revenue recognition. These are the 5 steps around which revenue recognition module work around. So what are these steps? First, identify the customer contract with a customer. Second, identify the performance obligation in the contract. Third is to determine the transaction price. Fourth is the allocation of transaction price. And fifth is recognize revenue as performance obligation are satisfied. So for the better understanding of these 5 steps, let's move on to the example. Here is our example. You can see that like company is selling air conditioner. With the air condition, it's giving installation as well as the insurance. So this air condition plus installation plus insurance amounts to one contract. So this is what is the first step, identification of the customer contract. Now moving on to the second step, which tells you to identify the performance obligation in a contract. So first of all, what is performance obligation? Performance obligation is a promise. It's a promise in a contract with a customer to transfer to the customer distinct goods or services. Like here in this example, the contract includes 3 performance obligations. First is delivery of AC, second is installation of the AC, and third is the insurance. So these are the 3 performance obligations in it. Now moving to the transaction price and its allocation. So first of all, there are 2 terms which we should be aware of is SSP and TP. So first of all, what is SSP? It's a standalone selling price. It's the individual price of each performance obligation. Like here, AC 20,000, installation 1,000, insurance 6,000, total amounting to 27,000. But like for an example, say company is giving installation free for promotion. So what is the transaction price now? AC 20,000, installation nil, insurance 5,000, amounting to 25,000 in total. So what this revenue recognition module tells us, it tells us to allocate the transaction price on the basis of the standalone selling price for each performance obligation. So what we will do here, when you will divide 20,000 by 27,000, you will get this percentage. 1,000 divided by 20,000, you will get this percentage, and 6,000 divided by 27, you will get this last one percentage. So this is the percentage according to which your transaction price will be allocated. Fine, or you can just do 20,000 into 25,000 divide by 27,000. 1,000 into 25,000 divide by 27,000. 6,000 multiplied by 25,000 and divide by 27,000, resulting into these last column amounts. These are the revenue which you are going to recognize when the performance obligation is fulfilled. So this was the small brief about the revenue management and its 5 steps. So that is all for today. Thank you.